Hello Gucci's team and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you. If you are new here, you are very welcome. My name is Ann Ndubeze. You are very welcome to this beautiful Sunday. So today, as you can see, I have made a delicious salad recipe. If you love salad, you're going to get a lot of salad recipes on my channel. This is apple salad recipe, and honestly, you cannot beat this salad. You can eat it with rice, you can eat it with moi moi, you can eat with fish. Stay tuned, guys, and see what we're about to do. So we are making apple salad. I've gone ahead to clean my apple nicely. Diced it. I'm using green and red apple. This is a very healthy recipe. I just want to share this recipe with you. You can go ahead and try this for a weekend for your family. And here is my red onion. We are using all of this for this apple salad. We are also You can dice your vegetables whichever way you choose. The choice is yours. And also, guys, make sure you wash all your vegetables very thoroughly. Make sure you have them clean, prepped, and then you can go ahead. Sometimes I like to chop my carrots, and you can do whatever you like with your vegetables. Here's my cucumber. This is how I want it for this recipe. Okay. I have other vegetables that will be coming in. I'll show you one after the other. So I'm making this salad in this bowl. I've gone ahead to boil my corn. I like fresh corn. If you know me, you know I like to eat fresh corn. All right. This is because of health reason. So I'm going to add my chopped cabbage. I'm using cabbage. I'm going to add my chopped cabbage into this corn. So to my corn, I'm going to go ahead and I'll add my cabbage. Okay. I want to mix it. I'm going to mix it. Step by step. As you can see, I went in with my onion, my apple, my cucumber, and I'm going in with my carrots. Just go in with everything as soon as you add your cabbage. It doesn't really matter. So we are going to mix this together until it is well combined. If you like at this point, you can go ahead and add your mayonnaise. Of course, I'm going to be adding mayonnaise to this. Yeah, mix everything very well. This is the first mixture. And then other things can go layers by layers. This is a very good salad recipe. You can also add raisin if you like. You can add some nuts if you like. You can, add whatever you wish. This is a very good salad. You can add some green leaves, which I'm going to show you the one I'm going to be adding. Okay, I'll keep mixing. So we are going to add this also. So it is my mixed vegetable that has the purple cabbage and the green cabbage and a little bit of carrots. I have some, red cabbage here. Some people call it purple cabbage. Yeah, I have purple cabbage. This recipe you can use for your shawarma, you can use it for sandwich, you can use it for whatever you wish to. All right. So I'm going to be going in with this mayonnaise. I'll mix it very well with this mayonnaise. I don't have lemon at home, but I'll use what I have. Okay, lime. I'm going to use lime. Two lime. Just wash it for me. I just need the water. Two is enough. So guys, we're going to add lime into this. So I'm going to mix this. I'll mix this in. I'll mix it in very, very well, guys. Mix everything in very nicely with your cream, whatever cream of your choice. So guys, I drizzle some black pepper into the salad recipe. You can do that, you can choose not to. Make sure you mix and get your corn out. This is Very delicious salad recipe, trust me. It's kind of looking like coleslaw, but I'm adding so many vegetables. That's why I will not say it's coleslaw exactly. But this is my apple salad. Okay, I'm going to be going in with some green vegetables. Isn't this delicious, guys? Leave the comments there. Tell me how you see this salad recipe. Is this something you think you are going to do? This is so delicious. This is a fantastic salad recipe. You can go in with raisin or any choice nuts. You can decide to go in with raisin. This is so good. This is the kind of salad I like to make for my family. My husband loves this kind of salad a lot. My friends love this kind of salad when I make it for them. They just love it. You'll just be hearing, and this is good. This is delicious. Very simple, very yummylicious. Bless you. I'm going to go in with my lime. Please try to drizzle some lemon into your salad recipe, or lime or black pepper. Come back to say thank you, Gucci's. You can skip it if you don't want. Look at that, guys. What do you think? This is something you can do. Once you have all of these vegetables at home, don't let it waste. Put it together for your family, and they will really appreciate you. Mix everything, make sure they are well combined. If you have watched to this moment, I want to say a very huge thank you. May God bless and honor you. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Please share to your family, friends, and loved ones. Now you can go in with your lettuce. This is the decoration. What do you think, guys? Drop your comments if you love this recipe. And please make this for your family. To all our beautiful mothers that want to learn how to be intentional with their meals, this is the right channel for you, and I'm sure your family will appreciate you. I hope you're going to try this. My children love salad recipes when I make them. My husband loves my salad recipes. Friends and loved ones love my salad. I'm going to show you what we're. Let me know what you're going to be pairing this salad with. Isn't this fantabulous? This is so delicious, guys. I'm going to be eating with some of my fried rice and jollof rice mixed together, and some of my chicken, delicious chicken. Come and eat, guys. This is so good. Come and eat. This is so good. This salad is so good. Look at those black peppers, onion. You can just eat with an egg. This is so good. Give my video a massive thumbs up. Share to your family, friends, and loved ones. Try this recipe and tag me. Teach be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves a merciful heart. Thank you all so much. God bless you. Bye.